I'm Elizabeth Wiseman, and I'm a fashion and commercial photographer, and these are 5 posing tips for better model testing. First, move your model's feet. I think our instinct is to initially move their hands or their face, but I find that the feet are the drivers for the whole body. So if you can get their feet moving, you're gonna find more interesting poses right away. Next, part your model's lips. I find that on the day-to-day, we don't walk around with our lips tightly shut. We talk to people, we react. So when I'm model testing and a model's face is feeling very flat, I have them open their mouths just a little bit so they look more dynamic and real. Next, get your lefts and rights down. I like to use the model's left and the model's right. I think it's clearer. I think that that's initially what they think of when you give them direction. But another thing I like to add is mirroring them with my body. So I'll say to the model, turn your right shoulder towards me, but then I mirror them with my left so that they have a visual cue, but they also have the right audio cue that goes with their body. Next, most people look best from a 3/4 angle. As photographers, we often love that straight-on angle because it's a great connection to the camera. But for a model, we want to think about what's most beautiful for them. Asymmetries come into play, the lines of the chin and the nose come into play. So when you pull somebody just slightly left or just slightly right, you can find some things that really allow the light to fall beautifully on their face, and you can maintain that connection with the eye. You just have to be intentional about it, or you'll find yourself with too many straight-on shots. Last, when in doubt, have your model's hands touch something. I find hands to be very awkward, so I give them a structure. I'll either have them touch together, touch the body, or touch the clothes. That way the model's coming up with something more comfortable looking quicker. Integrating these 5 tips is gonna give you stronger images quicker, and it's gonna give you more beautiful photos for your models.